Okay guys, I'm back from vacation and I got an unboxing to do. I brought the candle too before vacation was being. I have tabs, but I don't have the box. My aunt and uncle have the box. Yeah, let's get this unboxing. It should be another childhood item. Oh my god, I see it. I haven't seen this thing in years. Oh my god, it's bigger than I remember it. It works. It doesn't move, but it still sings. Good. Come on, I'm recording. I kind of forgot I was recording for a second. So I left and got scissors. But yeah. You know me, I'm like a kid. I want to get the thing out of the box. It does have split gear in it, I noticed. But I expected that. Now this is the first generation, which is the one I had as a kid. The heck, this cut. I might have had a second gen, but I never had a third.
I'm busy, Mama. It's almost Christmas. Jingle, 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 you will hear my sleigh bells ring. I am old Kris Kringle, I'm the king of jingling. Oh, oh, you must believe that on Christmas Eve I won't pass you by. I'll dash away in my magic sleigh, flying through the sky. Jingle, 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 you will hear my sleigh bells ring. I am old Kris Kringle, I'm the king of jingling. I am old Kris Kringle, I'm the king of jingling.
Yeah, it's not moving. Oh my gosh, I'm happy to have this one back in my collection though.
Oh, Mama. Jingle, 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 you will hear my sleigh bells ring. I am old Kris Kringle, I'm the king of jingling. Oh, oh, you must believe that on Christmas Eve I won't pass you by. I'll dash away in my magic sleigh, flying through the sky. Jingle, 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 you will hear my...
Yeah, I plan on ordering some gears sometime in the future, so yeah, I might be able to get this guy working. But look at him.
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Jingle, 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 you will hear my sleigh bells ring. I am
That's every video, I'll do a review of it.